Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Charcha with the Chachas. Just Prashant say hello.
Hello.
So guys, in today's episode, I'm not showing so much energy because the topic we are touching today is very sensitive. So in today's episode, um, as Prashant and me are men, we do not have another perspective. So we gathered bunch of our friends who are female and to talk about what goes through a woman's life, what do they think, how do they feel. So Prashant would just brief us on what actually happened in that scene.
And we are being informed, the media is informing us today. The mainstream media has been informing us right today. It's in the news since this afternoon or since this morning. But there are some sections of the media. There have been some independent journalists who had been reporting this case, who had visited the town or the village, uh, and they had done some ground reporting. But again, it was not really. It did not bear any results. But today when that woman has died, the woman who was gang raped. Okay, and this term has become so common that when I was talking, when I called these panelists on my when I called Monica, Rucha, Linda, and everyone, I wanted it to be an awkward. I wanted to be a little held back. I wanted to hold myself back from using that word, but it became so common. Like even when we were talking at my home, we were because I remember when the Nirbhaya case happened, we were not comfortable talking about the word. I remember that. Okay, and today when that happened, and my sister and we are just talking, it's very so. I just want you guys to blend in, add in. How common has sexual harassment or rape become in this country as of today?
It's like using the word food. It's like using the word food. We make use of word
Hmm.
food
Hmm.
every day in our life.
Yeah.
And gang rape is like
Hmm.
the same thing.
Hmm.
मतलब it is बोलने के लिए बोल देते भाई बच्चे उसका गैंग रेप हो गया
Hmm.
there
हो
is
गया. Yeah.
मतलब it is
Yeah,
like
but
there is no sense of emotion.
Hmm. Yeah.
मतलब
Empathy.
when we say a word empathy, when
Hmm.
we say a word known as rape, you should understand what emotion, what pain it carries, but it has become a common term. So
I would
I
like to
suggest,
highlight the fact that they have called girls to discuss issue regarding girls, not like the TV news channel or journalism.
Tom, this is not just a woman's issue.
70 to 80% of the people sitting on the panel are males and they don't know the problem. You just know the word gang rape. The one who feels it is a girl. The one who feels it from the heart is a girl. You should call girls to discuss about their topics. Before the meeting, Rucha said, "अरे बहुत common हो गया है." It's a bad thing. It should not be common. This thing does not need to be common. That is a problem.
Yeah, I was reading the
but it is
comments of,
common.
excuse me, I was reading the comments of the chairperson of the National Commission for Women, that's NCW, and she had a comment which she made today. When this incident came, quote, when this incident came to light, suo moto cognizance was taken. Unfortunately, the victim passed away. We will be there to help a family. We will be there to help a family. To
Exactly. I
control
read
such
that.
incidents, we need to change the mindset of the society. Okay, very good words. The first sentence, when this incident came to light, this caught my attention. I mean, how many incidents are there which do not come to light? I mean, how many incidents are there which are not reported? And I and Eric, we actually do not know how you guys go through, or if you go through this on a frequent basis. Are there levels of sexual harassment in the society, or is it just something that happens and it has to? It only happens when it's on the news, right? Nowadays, it's just it only anything happens only when it's in the news. If it's not in the news, it does not
In the
happen.
news, exactly.
So, I mean, I don't know how to explain this. Rucha, would you like to?
Actually, this has been the fear of every girl. Like it's always as it has been in my head. Ki, what if I went out at night and what if something happened?
Hmm.
Or what if I'm wearing some kind of clothes or
Yeah.
people are staring at me? I shouldn't wear that kind of things.
Hmm.
So like I don't know, that is not about clothes, but
True.
that is about people, the
Hmm.
way they stare or the way they manipulate things.
Yeah.
You won't believe, I read a post on Instagram which
Mm-hmm.
said like, what would you do if there are no men on earth?
Hmm.
On earth, I'm saying.
Hmm.
There are no men for a day.
Hmm.
So like the girls commented and I was literally shocked. I was reading the comments. They said, I'll roam at night, I'll go out, I can wear anything I want. Like what our mentality has been, like we are afraid so much of these people. Like we are thinking about ourselves. We are not thinking what they should do.
Yeah. Hmm.
Actually, I would like to add some different points.
Hmm.
We always heard that people talk about like we should change the mindset. We should teach our sons to behave
Right.
properly.
Right.
But what about the persons
Hmm.
who are already in that mindset?
Okay.
We are not able to change the mindset of a man with a age 40 plus. Okay,
Okay.
he's
Mhm.
going to watch at a girl like that in that way only. Like we are
Okay.
not going. We can't do that.
Hmm.
Okay, I
Hmm.
can tell you, Prashant, you are younger. You are a younger.
Okay.
But when after age, after certain
Right.
point,
Right.
we
Hmm.
can't change our mindset, right?
Hmm.
And the men with those mindset
Hmm.
can pass out the same mindset to the younger generation too.
True. True. True.
So what should we do about that? No one will talk about this, no?
Yeah, no one will talk about that. Another thing I did not want to touch on this, but I want to touch on that because so we talk about a lot of, we glorify our country. Okay, we glorify the culture of this country. I'm anyone who's listening to this, I'm not against this country, but we glorify the culture of this country. We wear it on our chest. Okay, that's great. Okay, but but what about a culture, and what questions do we need to ask? What deeper questions do we need to ask at moments such as these? Noel, would you
I
like?
have a question.
Hmm.
Okay, can you go
Yeah,
ahead?
Monica, please tell me.
Yeah, good morning.
Prashant, there's Durga Puja in next 20 days, Prashant.
Hmm.
It's a
Yeah.
festival where they worship goddesses Durga. They call 9 girls.
Yeah.
You know, it's an
Yeah.
auspicious moment.
Hmm.
Where does the mentality go at that point?
True.
That time girls are treated as if they bring good luck to your home.
Sure. Yeah.
They bring prosperity.
Hmm.
And when the same person doesn't think this way, that's my question. The person doesn't think this way, that he's going to rape the same girl who is going to come to his place for Durga Puja. Though, so there's some specific time or what? But in this duration, you're not supposed to rape girls. And in this time is fine, you can do that because that is God will forgive you or something like that. Is there any rule? Because is there any rule? I want to know. Then I won't be leaving my house on
Yeah.
those particular
Yeah.
days.
If
I'll be
there's a
safe.
conduct, if there's a code of conduct, if there's a code of social code of conduct for women in this, or moral conduct. I mean, who draws the line? People who sit
Exactly.
in the parliaments, in the ACs. Okay, men who make comments करके लड़का लोग चलता है, करता है, लड़का लोग से गलती होता है.
भी लड़के हैं, गलती हो जाती है.
Okay, or the women who face this on a daily basis in these villages. I mean, in the cities it's less. I'm sure you guys might have faced some level sexual harassment in some level or the other. But what about the women who face this in the villages, right? They have, I mean, I think the level of harassment there is much more, right? And this is something that nobody talks about. And coming back to my question, Noel.
That's what we feel, Prashant.
Yeah, 100%.
That's
That's
what
what
we
we
feel.
feel. See, again,
They might be speaking, but the voice
Exactly.
is not heard till here.
their voice is not
Yeah.
heard till
Like-
here. Yeah, exactly. I mean,
इज्जत प्यारी है.
frankly speaking,
Oppression happens in every
Also.
class.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not
see-
something that
Right.
is divided by class or it's divided by any sect or anything.
hmm,
Oppression happens because, or basically, man has been a leader, or basically, you can say,
Protagonist.
it's a man's world
Hmm.
because of their physical strength.
Yeah.
If women were more physically stronger, do you think men could do this?
Yeah, fair point.
Is the main question.
Hmm.
Yeah, no, but I want to take on Prashant here because he just said something like, I wear my culture, Indian culture, on my, what did you say, Prashant? You said something
I
like,
did.
I'm very proud of my.
Yeah, I'm very proud. We wear it on our sleeves.
I'm
You
just
say-
going to remind you what our Indian culture is. It is a
Hmm.
culture of sati, and
Hmm.
it is a culture of child marriage,
Hmm.
and it is a culture which has for centuries, women have had no rights.
Hmm.
So I'm proud to be an Indian, but you
100%.
have to just look back a
Hmm.
little bit,
Hmm.
and you will see how
Hmm.
women were treated.
Hmm.
And because we're a bit modernized right now,
Hmm.
and we don't want to identify what we were.
Right.
We are
Fair
a
point.
nation of killers of babies. Go
Hmm.
to Rajasthan.
Hmm.
It was considered to be, patriarchal, and the head
Yeah.
of the house had the
Hmm.
right to kill a baby child
Right. Hmm.
in the most gruesome ways. That's India.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
And I just want to take the focus of the conversation from the word rape
Hmm.
or gang rape to the word which I believe is the root cause. It is this deep rooted caste system
Hmm.
in our country
Mhm.
that allows some sort of superiority complex for a
Yes.
particular group of men.
Hmm.
It gives them this ownership, higher
Hmm.
caste, that
Hmm.
I can own this poor person.
Right.
And so we need to change our focus from the word rape. And
Hmm.
if you look at most of the cases, deep rooted caste system has led to such kind of brutality. Rape has always existed. As a woman, I have seen that the brutality of rape has gotten worse. Every time you
Right.
think,
Hmm. Fair
it's
point.
not going to get worse than
Yes.
this
Yes.
was the
Yes.
bar set.
Hmm. Yes.
Benchmark changes
I
every
remember.
freaking time.
For Nirbhaya case, it was like
Yeah.
it was the gruesome that could
Most
anything
yeah,
happen
I
to
mean,
a particular girl. And now if you
100%
go to
agree.
see even for this Hathras girl, the same thing has happened. I do not know if I can say it. People installing a rod in your this, if you all have heard about menstrual cramps, it is 100% much pain, and we go through it every
Every
month.
Every
month.
month.
Every month we go through it. But imagine
That's
inserting something which is much more painful. Even the thought of it gives me a pain. So
yeah, so
how
that's
can
what
you, matlab,
yeah.
it is like that cruel. And for me, see, I belong to a strong religious faith. For me, it's like मुझे हमेशा एक ही क्वेश्चन आता है on a very serious note, भाई भगवान से भी डर नहीं लगता इनको? Forget
So
about
that is
all
what,
of us.
yeah. I mean, so what has changed over the years, I think, is the brutality has changed. I also was looking at the cases. This is the second point to consider. If you look at the age group, they are all young boys.
Young. Yes. Hmm.
Early
Young boys,
20s.
yeah.
Oh.
And known
Yeah.
people.
Okay. So
Known
something
people.
has, and
Yeah.
so something deviant has happened in our upbringing.
Hmm.
It's not some
Right.
40-year-old men, it's these 19, 20-year-olds.
Hmm.
And so we need to look at their upbringing.
Hmm.
We need to look at things like this generation has been shaped by pornography. This
Yeah.
generation has been, shaped by women who have not stood up and told their son, that's not right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at all the rapists.
Lack
They're
of sex
young.
education as well.
And I remember the Nirbhaya case, and I and my very good friend Sanket. And whenever we used to see a bus, okay, I guess a 52-seater bus with white color, we boys used to get chills, and he used to tell me, Prashant, yaad hai kya mere ko ye dekh ke abhi bhi aisa lagta hai. I mean, we boys, we don't know anything of this, right? Because we've never been exposed to such, what would I say, such situations, incidents. But what about women? What do women on a daily basis when they go out? Because I can see the look, and I can see when I see a girl, okay, she's walking on a railway station. Let's talk about this, okay? She has to be aware all the time, right? Every time she walks.
Her radar, she's checking her radar.
She's checking her radar, yeah. And she knows.
Rape radar.
Rape, 100%. And she knows who's looking at her, what intentions. I mean, the sixth sense is not far. I don't think it's a farce. I don't think it's bullshit. But I think the sixth sense is a need. It's a need of the moment.
They will talk about security. When we talk about security, there are 2 policemen in every ladies compartment in Mumbai local.
Yeah, exactly.
So that is fine. After 8 o'clock, if you're traveling into the local, that is fine. But what after getting out of the station? The path from station to your road, is it safe? Train
Hmm.
itself is safe, but what
Yeah.
about the next step? Is it safe?
Fair point.
You know, I was just thinking, when that Nirbhaya case happened, right? So
Hmm.
after that, what did the society do?
Hmm.
They lit up the candles and something like, what is the use of it? The
Right.
justice took literally so many years.
Hmm.
So
Like, what
many
is the
years,
use of
exactly.
just burning
Hmm.
candles and saying that we are with you? Like, how can you be with some
Right.
family who
Right.
has faced that, right? So
Right.
I just don't believe this. Like, why to burn even candles for that?
Hmm.
Yeah,
How?
exactly.
Hmm.
Like, go for
Even
justice,
I don't,
stand for justice.
Yes, Devika.
even I don't think that is the justice, because if the cases are not going to stop after that,
Hmm.
what's the point to give the
True.
They feel you put a
punishment to
hashtag,
them?
you put hashtag justice for Nirbhaya, and you're done. Your duty is done over there. That
Hmm.
is what is going in the
Exactly.
society
Yeah,
right now. And if you
I'm
don't put the
so sorry
status,
to
that means
say,
you're not. Yeah, yeah,
our
yeah,
current
ma'am.
generation is that way. Our current generation is that way.
Hmm. Hmm.
Somebody expires, they put a story,
Hmm.
rest in peace.
Rest
अरे
in
भाई जब वो
peace.
इंसान जिंदा था तुम लोग जानते भी नहीं थे, हाउ आर यू, कभी पूछा भी नहीं वो इंसान से,
Right. हाँ.
and जब वो इंसान गुजर गया बोलते हैं रेस्ट इन
Rest
पीस.
in peace.
Then
Yeah.
they'll put
And
everything sweet and this. For me, I always matter, maybe it being a student, maybe it be a teacher, maybe a simple human being,
Hmm.
be aware of that person when he's there in front of you.
Right.
Hmm.
No
Be
matter
aware
who.
of that person when he's there in front of you. No matter even you know that person, even don't know
Yeah.
that person.
Fair point.
हम लोग के कल्चर में कैसा रहता है, कुछ भी होता है सब होने के बाद सोचते भाई ये नहीं होना
हाँ.
चाहिए था.
Right.
सब कुछ हो गया, सब कुछ हो
हाँ.
गया.
हमारे
It's like
सामने हो
people
गया.
writing exam. हमारे सामने हो गया, people writing, sorry being a lecturer, being people writing the exam होने के बाद बोलता है भाई इसका पढ़ाई पहले करना चाहिए था.
हाँ.
अरे तुम लोग को 10 बार बोल चुका था भाई पढ़ाई करो करो
हम्म.
करो करो,
हम्म.
तभी नहीं सुनना था.
हम्म.
एग्जाम आ गया, फेल हो गया, मैम पहले पढ़ाई करना चाहिए था.
हम्म.
ये सेम कंडीशन यहाँ पर भी है.
हम्म.
100 रेप केसेस होते हैं, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो लोग बोलते हैं इट केम टू लाइट राइट नाउ,
हम्म.
ये अभी हुआ. एंड व्हाट इज द फनी पार्ट ना, they use the word compensation to
Yes,
the
100%.
family.
आज मैं भी ध्यान दिया ये चीज
They
पे
used
finally.
they used the word compensation to the family. Will
हम्म.
that compensation bring back that person alive to your
हम्म.
family?
हम्म.
तू 10 लाख दे या 15 लाख दे या 20 लाख दे दे वो फैमिली को,
हम्म.
that family has lost his or her daughter.
हम्म. हम्म. True.
Will that, forget about bringing it back, the pain that person went through,
हम्म.
will it suffice that pain also?
हम्म.
मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि भाई पैसे से सब खरीद सकते, पैसे से एक लड़की का इज्जत नहीं ले सकते तुम.
नहीं ले सकते.
प्रशांत कैसे compensate नहीं कर सकता? She's a woman. She's weak. You don't get the point, Prashant. She's weak. पैसा देके तुम लोग आवाज दबा सकते हो. That's what people think.
हम्म.
Yeah.
एग्जैक्टली. वो कंपनसेशन कितना भी दो तुम लोग, सोसाइटी का उस लड़की की तरफ देखने का नजरिया तो बदलेगा नहीं.
हम्म. हम्म.
वो ये समझ है जो उससे शादी करेगा,
या
ये तो अलग बात है ना.
ये तो अलग, वो एक अलग ही से वो सी अ वुमेन सर्वाइविंग अ रेप, वो एक अलग किस्सा है. मतलब वो अलग ही दुनिया है. आई मीन देयर इज नो, आई गेस, आई थिंक अ
Yeah.
वुमन फील्स कि देयर इज नो पॉइंट लिविंग, राइट? देयर इज नो पॉइंट लिविंग, आइदर यू बिकम अ विक्टिम और अ विक्टर. विक्टर तो पता नहीं कैसे बनेंगे. इट्स अ कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट. कैसे बनेंगे आई डोंट नो. आई मीन
Even if that
who'll tell
person
me?
wants to become victorious, the society will not allow.
नहीं.
They will
Yeah.
And not
attach that
accept as
word,
well.
But you know
they will
what?
attach that
Yeah.
word victim to it and वहाँ पे बात खत्म.
खत्म. हम्म.
No, but I also think, you know, as women, we have to take some of the blame on ourselves. This is not
Exactly.
just the men, the fault of men.
Hmm.
And that is why I constantly want to bring back, bring to everyone's notice that this is something which is very deep rooted in our culture. So it could be caste,
Hmm.
or I want to say it, the Kathura rape case.
Hmm.
It could be religion,
Mhm.
Yeah, it
where
could
they
be
just
religion.
denied the incident,
Hmm.
something. But this is a culture which is deep rooted. And I think as women also,
Hmm.
we need to bring about some change. Women need to be there for each other.
Speak for
Okay, there are
yourself.
many,
Exactly.
yeah. And I, for many
And this
times,
begins
I
at
have,
home, na?
yeah,
I guess this
it
begins at
does.
home, na?
It does. It
It
does.
does.
This
It
begins
does.
at home.
कैसा होगा मतलब हम लोग इस पे बात कर सकते हैं तो कैसा होगा ये
When your
because
mom stands up to your dad about anything that she doesn't agree to or that is against her ethics, that's how
Exactly.
your kid learns. That's how your kid learns
Yeah.
that, you know, that there's a standard, there's a respect that she is an individual of herself. She's not a property. She's not
She
someone.
has right. She has right to
She
stand for
she has her
herself.
own rights. She has her own mind. That's what I've
I
learned
will
from my
just
mother. Like,
I'll just focus this
Yeah,
one
well-
point.
Hmm.
I belong to the state of Kerala.
Hmm.
If I'm a Keralite, and if you'll go as per statistics, Kerala is the state which has the highest literacy rate,
100% literacy.
100% literacy rate. But you'll be also be shocked to know that it is the most male dominant state.
Yeah.
It is the most male dominant state. For example, if you go over there, if you stay in, for us, we are being born and brought up in Mumbai, but if you go to Kerala, after 7 o'clock, if you see, girls are not allowed out of the house.
Okay.
वहाँ पे इतना अंधेरा हो जाता है, कोई भी 7 बजे के बाद नहीं जा सकता. लेकिन
it's like 3 a.m. there.
girls are not, girls are not allowed out of the house after 7 7. I remember I had relatives calling from Kerala at night 10 o'clock. I'm just returning back from college using some, and like, अबे रात के 10 बजे तक तू बाहर है? यहाँ पे लोग खा के सोने का टाइम हो गया. And my mom will like, अरे वो तो अभी कॉलेज से आई गई है.
Who made these rules?
Second, I'll also focus on this कि वहाँ पे अगर कोई भी एक औरत, and I'm not sure if it's only in Kerala, but I feel that it is that main चीज कि वहाँ पे अगर कुछ भी होता है ना, if a woman raises up their voice or do anything, वो लोग एक सेंटेंस जरूर बोलते हैं. You are the woman of the house.
Keep quiet.
And
और मैम,
I have heard
फिर भी
this.
बोला तो तुम्हारी
I have heard
जबान
this.
कैची जैसी है.
हाँ. Fair
ये
point.
बात ये बात भी सही है. And if there's, and उनको ऐसा फिर वो एक बात आता है, अगर हमने बोल दिया, they will be like keep quiet, keep quiet, keep quiet. And it will not be like मैं बोलती हूँ मेरे घर पे भी अगर मैं भी, because I belong to modern society and I will be like, मैं कभी कभी बड़ बोली करती हूँ, my mom will be the first one to like keep quiet.
Yeah.
Maybe she might not be not doing it intentionally.
Intentionally, yeah. But she's programmed to do so.
Her motto is to protect me.
True.
But she is not understanding that kahin na kahin she's suppressing my voice, which I want to let it out.
Because again, that come back to what Noel said, right? कि अपना culture जो है, it has programmed us. It has programmed the women and the men.
It has programmed in such a way that wrong is always shown multiple times in such a way कि बार बार बोलने से वो बात सही हो जाएगी. बाहर नहीं निकलना है, one person says, other says, whole society starts saying it, and then it becomes a rule. I want to know who made this rule, and if this rule was made, why wasn't it made for men?
Fair point. Because men have the power, right? Power down. They are dominant.
इज्जत तो सबकी है, मेरी जैसी है, वैसे एक लड़के की भी है.
लेकिन कब तक कितना टाइम लगेगा? Yeah, Noel.
I also want to just talk about, we're just talking about rape, the physical rape.
Yeah.
I want to ask all the women on the panel, how many times have you gotten raped by somebody by just looking at you? We get raped every day. It is your milkman, it is your newspaper guy, it is your watchman, it is the rickshaw guy. You get raped by their eyes every day. And that, when this is what happens when I talk to a man. I go home and I'm like, did I smile too much? I should not have smiled. Did I? Whoa!
I was going to
did
come
I give
back
him
to that. Yeah.
Why? That's what happens.
True.
Because even if you speak to a man,
you can't be nice to a man.
Yeah, because I feel guilty. Did I give him some sort of vibes here?
Yeah.
Did I?
Hints is the word they use.
Hints. Because I'm like an older generation. I'm like, oh my God, does he think that I like him now? So let's talk about even
Hmm.
being modern women. We are not free. We're
Hmm.
not modern. We're not
Hmm.
safe.
Hmm.
You have to tell a man every day,
Hmm.
back off,
Yeah.
back
Yeah.
off.
Hmm. Hmm.
I don't think
Now
you
I'll
need
just
to.
add
Yeah,
to one more point of yours. Not
Hmm.
yeah,
only raping by eyes. Raping by eyes is something which happens every day.
Hmm.
every day.
How many
Let's
of
charge
y'all?
them money.
हाँ, you should.
हाँ.
बराबर है, ये
How
बात
many
सही
of
है.
हाँ.
y'all?
You should
You
charge
see,
money.
Yeah, Linda ma'am, Linda
you
ma'am,
just
Linda
looked
ma'am.
at something.
There's the
and it is-
millionaire. Then
इसके लिए how many of y'all have I suppose मेरे साथ तो बहुत सारे incidents ऐसे हुए हैं जहाँ पे people have physically assaulted or harassed me
Oh,
Yeah.
or
yeah.
it can be what you might be standing still in the train
Hmm.
कुछ नहीं ट्रेन पूरा खाली रहेगा
Hmm.
फिर भी there might be some people who will come and just snub against you
अच्छा.
भाई
Yeah.
ट्रेन पूरा खाली है
Hmm.
तुम लोग को दिख नहीं रहा है कि ट्रेन
Hmm.
पूरा खाली है but
Hmm.
it is a small thing so it is a small thing
Hmm.
Ma'am, their excuse is this is gents compartment. No, it's not a gents compartment. It's general
it's a
compartment.
general
compartment.
compartment
Okay.
It's about
Hmm.
mentality.
it's not about ladies it's not about this तुम लोग थिएटर में जाओ
Hmm. Hmm.
थिएटर में भी
Hmm.
अगर तुम लोग जाओगे वहां पे मॉल्स में भी जाओगे if you are dressed in some certain way and people I do not believe in that statement that your dresses
Yeah.
indicate rape
No way.
because if you are going even in the Hathras case tell me what she was wearing a salwar kameez
Hmm. Hmm.
Ma'am,
Okay.
was
this
wearing a
happens
salwar
with
kameez
burqa, sari, burqa, diaper.
7 में की गर्ल को भी रेप हुआ है और वो भी रिलेटिव्स के मतलब
Yeah,
रिलेटिव ने ही
yeah.
किया है तो अब क्या लड़की को साड़ी पहना के रखे क्या 7 महीने की बच्ची को
तो एक मिनट साड़ी पहनाया तो रेप नहीं होगा ये कौन बोला साड़ियों में भी कुछ
वही तो इट्स नॉट
हाँ, वो
अबाउट
कुछ भी होता
इट्स
है
अबाउट
and it's not about clothes it's about mentality
Like
it's
even
not about
babies are
clothes
getting raped. Like
It
what
Yeah.
can you
yeah.
tell about grown-ups?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
It is a
6 months
sense
baby
of
2 months
ownership.
baby
Yeah.
It's a sense of ownership. Yeah. I wanted to talk about
Given
this.
to
So,
yeah.
Linda ma'am just said कि and even Noel, you both asked questions कि how many times ऐसा कभी how many of you haven't been. Yeah, the question was otherwise. It was not how many of you have been assaulted. It was how many of you haven't been assaulted. And I think there's this insensitivity or lack of, or the
knowledge बोल सकते हैं।
lack of knowledge that women go through this every moment. Okay, every waking moment when they are out of their house, not only out of their house, whenever they're inside their house as well. So ispe can you just throw some light, because I think when you address this, then men will know कि बाबा ये ऐसा वैसा isolated case नहीं है. This is something that is happening. It does not happen with one incident. See, I think even all this injustice in the world, it does not happen at one instance. It's happening. It's continuously happening. It's a perpetual cycle of events, right? Not even events. I think it's a perpetual cycle of thinking and mentality. There's no stop button to it. How often are women?
Prashant,
correct me
talking-
if I'm wrong.
Hmm.
Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. By the time we'll finish this conversation or podcast, somewhere a girl
Yeah.
is being raped. Maybe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
So when the person is raping, doesn't he feel this way that there's a girl sitting at my place as well? She's my sister, my cousin, or my mother. Doesn't this thought strike his head?
Eric was telling me before the
On it-
podcast, and I want to share this. And it's not on Eric, it's on me as well, because I've shared the same thought as well. That we worship cows as our mother, right? And we give the utmost respect to her. No offense to that. You want to worship a cow, you want to worship anything, a tigress, anything you want to, a snake, the nag. ठीक है, that's part of your culture. But doesn't an actual human being or a woman who is actually a mother, the same term you're using for an animal?
Let's not put title against it. Yeah, a mother, sister, girlfriend, but just put human being against it.
Huh,
I just
human
think,
being.
why all it always has to be a mother, sister,
True,
someone.
True.
Why does it has to be always that? It's
True.
just a human being.
True.
Blood, flesh, veins. Let's
Yes,
just put it that way.
true.
Like if you do
yeah.
it to a guy,
True.
if you do it to a guy, okay, men rape men as well.
Yeah, it happened recently.
Women
Happened yesterday, I
okay,
guess.
it
Yeah.
happened recently
because if the jokes, if you look at the comedy that goes on,
Hmm.
if you go to jail, they say that, keep your ass ready. Okay, keep your ass ready. That's what they say, because in jails they do not have cells. So men are so trained in such, or
Sodomized, yeah.
programmed, so hardwired in their senses, that they want it just to feel the dominance.
And Eric,
Just
again,
to
you
feel
talked
the
about
power.
comedy. Comedians doing a comedy or making a joke is more offensive than raping someone. I mean, how ironic is this society become? Making a simple joke, okay, making a joke of any level, okay, I don't want to put any grades of any rating. It's become more offensive than actually raping a woman or actually raping a human being in the society. How ironic
because
has this become?
because religion has become greater than the humanity.
And
Religion or a
also,
person.
yeah, I also believe that somewhere along, education has not been able to do it, religion has not been able to do it. We do not look at people as every person, man, woman, Dalit, non-Dalit, whatever. Every human being has an intrinsic value.
True,
We
100%.
cannot violate that value.
Yeah.
And that is where we go wrong. We will use things like caste to justify whatever it is. Patriarchal society, caste, religion. We were drunk, she was dressed sexy, whatever. The problem is we are not able to see that every human being
Has a value.
has intrinsic value.
Yes.
And when you can educate people, irrespective of gender, then I know I can't violate this person, man or woman.
True. I was
That's where we
thinking
go wrong,
Educate
I
as
think.
well as respect people.
respect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Respect people. No matter
Yeah.
what.
What they
Because
are.
I have come across such people. No matter, that person might have that's something bad about you, or might have
Yeah.
अब मैं एक simple सा एक चीज बता देती हूँ. अभी तुम लोग, I guys have all been students. We as teachers have been strict to you
Right.
because it is a part and
Parcel
parcel
of the
of our
game.
profession. Parcel of the game, and there can be some students who are mature enough to understand it.
Right.
But
Right.
there will be, at the same time, there will be some sect of people who will not be mature enough to understand it. And I'll tell you, the next term that they will be using would be a bad word. If you would have just respected that person who had stood in front of you,
Yeah.
वो सोचने के पहले भी दो बार सोचेगा, भाई मैंने क्या बोला है
क्या बोला?
या फिर मैंने क्या सोचा है.
Yeah. And
you know what
Tell
I'm
me,
scared.
Tell
What
me.
I'm scared about is now people got some new hashtag to, like
Yeah,
some
trend.
hashtag, some
Trend.
celebrities will like click some pictures and stuff. And then we're going to say, oh, let's fast track this case. Okay, let's whatever, kill these men, encounter this man, hang them.
Yeah.
That is not going
The
to
solution.
solve
Yeah.
your problem.
True.
So that's why I am saying let's focus not so much on the word rape as much as what is the root cause that allows for men to take a young girl and say, I have ownership over her. Okay. That's so, that mindset has to be changed.
Yeah.
What gave them
अगर
that
ये मर्द की
mindset?
definition है,
Yeah.
तो this needs to be changed.
Yeah.
Change that.
Like a girl is not anyone's property. Like you don't have rights on her. Even to
Yeah.
abuse or even to slap her, like no rights at all, right? And I would like to highlight a point when Prashant, you said like what a girl faces when she walks out of the home
Yeah.
to anywhere, right?
Yeah. How often do women
Yeah.
face
So
assault?
I'll tell you what happens at home. Okay. So if you're sitting at home in normal position, of course, we won't sit as a full suit
Yeah.
type and
Yeah.
your normal clothes, right? And if a vendor or someone comes to drop something at your place, so first thing what mom will say,
Yeah.
sit properly. Someone is going to come. At least sit properly. Like, how are you sitting? So it is like, I'm not blaming anyone, but that mentality, it is the mentality. Like I cannot sit my way. Why cannot sit? I'm like, why does
Yeah.
the person has to stare at my place? Like that is my home. I owe it. So why? Like when is this going to stop? I don't understand this.
True.
Yeah,
True.
I
True.
see. I
Neither
don't want
it's
to blame certain people. I think we got a lousy bunch of women who are glorified in our country. Lousy bunch of women
Okay.
whose pictures come on Instagram every day, whose pictures come on newspapers every day. they're lousy. They do not represent who I am.
Okay.
A woman like Sudha Murthy and women of her caliber should be, talked about, should be
Ah.
discussed. I
Mhm.
do not need to. I'm sorry, I don't want to take her name. More power to her. I don't want to be, empowered by Kareena Kapoor's pregnancy. So we
Hmm.
have set a certain women
Hmm.
on a pedestal, but they don't represent us.
Yeah.
And
Exactly.
Hmm.
The
yeah.
definition of feminism is not actors
Yeah.
who are, highlighting their
Yeah, and-
news like pregnancy
Yeah.
and all. Women
Hmm.
like Sudha Murthy are the real definition of feminism. The rest all is pseudo feminism.
Yeah. And as Noel was asking this question, I mean, what is the root cause? I was thinking, मैं थोड़ा deep सोचता है कभी-कभी, sorry. So I was thinking something like, so there is this lack of knowledge of the malevolence that the human being has within him, right? मतलब I was thinking about कि कितना cases होगा तो ही बंद होगा, और कितना होना बाकी है, और कितना होना बाकी है when people
There's
will
no
understand.
limit.
Yeah, there's no limit actually, right? Because Hitler
It's sad.
had to
It's sad that there is no limit.
Hitler had to finish
Yeah.
3 million Jews. तभी दुनिया को समझा कि बाबा ये नहीं करना है, बराबर ना? और मैं पूछना चाह रहा था, I wanted to ask each one of you, who is accountable?
एक मिनट,
Yeah,
प्रशांत,
Monica.
मेरे
Yeah,
को
Monica.
जाना पड़ेगा.
No problem. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you so
Hi,
much.
Monica. We loved your voice.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
So, ladies, I wanted to ask you, who is accountable? Who is accountable for these assaults happening in the country?
When something like happens like this, if people are staring, so
Because
the
you can't
first thing
also
when I
say,
come
see,
back,
Rucha, I'm asking this because you can't say all men, right? You can't say
no,
all
not
men.
of
Huh?
course. Even
Yeah.
I have many of friends who are males.
Hmm.
Most of them are males, and I know how they take care of us.
Hmm.
Like you cannot say that. Like even while traveling, it has always been that like girls stand in between and the boys surround. Like
Hmm.
no
Yeah.
other person
Yeah.
should see or no other person should touch.
Yeah.
Like even then
Yeah.
also you cannot give the statement like all man does that.
Hmm.
Like
Hmm.
no, I don't know when this mentality is going to stop.
Hmm.
Mentality in the sense it is like
क्योंकि
I mean,
देखो, we are trying
mentality
to
is
answer
what
this question. We are trying to answer this question. ये कैसे से रुकेगा? How will this stop? लेकिन किसी के पास
Hasn't
nobody
that
कहीं
war
ना
ever
कहीं हम लोग
stopped?
घूम फिर
Has
के
war
हमको
ever
ऐसा क्यों
stopped
लग रहा है
since
कि
Stone Age?
we are just
It's that
justifying
question.
we are just
Yeah.
justifying or we are trying to find out a reason
True.
which
Fair
will
point.
satisfy us.
we are trying to
मतलब
find
हम लोग
something
के
to
पास
blame
एक
this on.
रीजन होना चाहिए. हाँ, we are trying like हम लोग बोल देंगे भाई दलित सिस्टम है, कास्ट सिस्टम है,
हाँ.
रिलीजन सिस्टम है, ये सिस्टम है, वो सिस्टम है, चलो मेन मेंटालिटी है, फीमेल मेंटालिटी है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. But at the end of the day, what we are trying to do is we are trying to find out a reason why is this happening. जबकि the reality is there is no reason.
Right.
The reality is there is no reason. The person had gone to I suppose the person was visiting a field.
Okay.
अब मुझे वहां पे बोल क्या रीजन मिला उस इंसान को,
बराबर.
क्या रीजन था?
True.
Was caste system a reason?
Fair
It was,
point.
I putting it in very fair language, it was just 10 minutes of pleasure that that person wanted to satisfy and nothing else. And at that moment, that person did not have the sense to think, all the four people. But I just want to ask a question. From where do these people get such sort of ideas? What is the source of them having such ideas? For example, जैसे कि अपने modern world में हम लोग बोलते हैं कि student मतलब males see pornography. अबे सब लोग देखते हैं. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि सब लोग करते भी हैं. Not all people. So where is that intelligence? Where is the intelligence of people at that time?
Yeah, Noel.
And
So
I
think
tell
that,
you, even for Nirbhaya case, I remember all out of them, 2 were juveniles.
Yeah.
They don't even know the meaning, or they might have not even understood the meaning of what they have done.
Right. The implications as well.
Implications is a later part.
Later part.
After they have done, they might be thinking of it.
Right.
But at that moment, They do not know what, even in this case also, if I go to see, it is a 19-year-old female. The
Right.
other ones are from 20 to 24 or
Right.
19 to 24. All are young generation. They don't know what they are doing.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
seriously don't know what they are doing. They are just, वो लोग ने कहीं तो देखा रहेगा या फिर उनको किसी ने बोला रहेगा भाई ऐसे ऐसा करना अच्छा है, हो गया. But at that moment, where is the intelligence gone?
Right.
And on a very contradictory fact, if they were intelligent or if they were smart enough, या फिर थोड़ा basic sense of humanity भी रहता, so they might have not done it. So if you ask me the question, where is this limit going to end, or when is it going to end? The answer is, if that sort of intelligence is there in that person, it will end. If that person will have that caliber to think at that moment, it will
Right.
end.
Right.
But अपने यहाँ पे problem ये है कि it is not ending because people are not ready to accept that fact, and
Yeah.
especially not to be on a very this, but males in those societies are not ready to accept that fact.
Yeah.
Once they accept that fact
Yeah.
that all are equal, yeah, all have their own sense, जैसे कि नोएला ने बोला, have the intrinsic value of being a human being.
Yes.
Forget of being a male or a female.
Female.
If they understand that, हो जाएगा. I mean, imagine killing a 2-year-old, 2 month, raping a 2 month old child.
Okay.
कहाँ से, मतलब मुझे एक बात बता, what are you trying to satisfy?
True.
It's a
True.
simple question. What are you trying to prove? What is a person trying to prove? Tell me,
You know
what is
I
that
feel?
person trying?
Yeah. Prashant asked the question like,
Yeah.
you know, what is the reason for this? And we all are a part of the problem. All of us.
Exactly.
In
Even
some
I
way.
agree that.
As women, as mothers, as sisters, as wives, as you know, friends of girlfriends, and we have allowed systematically, we have all been a part of, you know, quenching the soul of a woman in some way or the other. We as women have also judged other women based on their way they dress. And I
Exactly.
very strongly believe that till there is an open dialogue within families about men, women, how do we respect another human being? I don't think the situation will change, because once we start looking at people as made in the image of God,
Yeah.
made, you know, having value, you know, then I would never think of violating somebody.
True.
But that has to begin at home. The conversations have to happen between the mothers and the sons, the mothers and the daughters, the fathers and the daughters. And we don't have
See,
conversations
it's
in
interesting that
homes.
you talked about God, right? Because I don't know of any society which is as religious as the Indian society. Frankly speaking, okay, you may
Yes,
you may say that Islamic countries are more religious. Okay, fair point. But Indians are very religious. There's nobody would doubt that. We Indians are
we're
known.
talking about religion. Religion is God's.
Okay.
I'm talking about where you can have many religions and you can have many gods. But I think somewhere along the line, we have missed the fact that we are all created. I don't know anybody's faith here, but we are all created by a creator, one God.
And hence we have
And,
intrinsic value.
Of course. And I cannot violate you.
Yeah.
Or nobody should violate me.
Yeah.
Because then all those 3,000 and 5,000 crore gods, I am the biggest manifestation of that power, because I'm created in the image of God. You can worship a tree and cow. It doesn't matter. If you can't worship another human being made in the image of God by a God.
Oh yeah. I think there's this question of conscience, right? You call it the this, right? The psyche. Some people used to use fancy terms for it, the psyche and the subconscious, this and that. So, okay, there are elements in the society which are basically degrading or destroying the conscience, and I think nobody is sensitive to that as well. Barabar, na? Even when we are talking about pornography, it has a role to play in the way we look at other humans. It has a very big
It
role,
is.
and I don't know how many of you would agree with me. When you see a pornographic movie, what we see is two people indulging in a careless act of sex, which has no implication. Okay? Because it becomes so casual when you're exposed to it constantly, na, it becomes so
It
casual.
desensitizes you.
Yes, 100%. That's what I'm saying, and that's why when people do anything of that sort, they do not have any understanding or sense of the implications that might follow. So that's one reasoning I would like to. That's one two cents of my brain that I would like to add on the podcast. Okay, Rucha, again coming back to the question which you were asking. I mean, I forgot. Noel, what was the question?
Who asked? Okay. Now we've been asking the question that
Why?
what is the mentality,
Mentality.
or what is the level of intelligence that these men have?
Hmm.
This in India and this particular case
Hmm.
is because of the, somewhere
Hmm.
they felt that because she was from a lower caste,
Right.
she didn't have value.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And we can get away with this because if you see, the police in our rural India is also caste based.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
mean,
Yes,
again, in
right.
this case
That's
as
our
well.
structure.
Article 15.
They won't take up the case if it's
Yes.
their higher caste.
Even
Yeah.
in this article, if you'll go to
Yes.
see, I just
It
read
took 8 days to register the FIR.
8
Because the
days to register
policemen
the
are of the
case.
higher caste. Yeah.
The father and the brother were protesting against the case,
Hmm.
but they were sent somewhere away or
Oh.
they were brutally harassed. This also come in
Yeah.
light. I was
Oh.
just going through,
Same happened with
and I will
Katura
be
case
very.
as well, right?
Same happened with the Katua case also.
Hmm.
Even if the males they want to raise up their voice,
Hmm.
they are being suppressed. And who are suppressing this voice?
Or you are killed.
Or you are killed. The ones who are meant to protect us, if
Hmm.
they are at fault,
Hmm.
then who will protect us?
How
Everyone
many
for
leaders that
themselves.
have been elected? How many leaders that have been elected at this point of time? Not taking any names, okay?
Yeah.
How many of them have charges against them of these
How many
sorts?
elected MPs or elected MLAs in the parliament? How many of them are
They also
spot
have
free?
charges.
I mean, you
Yeah.
could count the otherwise, right? How many of them are innocent
Like
without any charges?
if you do not have charges, then you are not eligible for the course.
Yeah,
That's
100%,
the
man.
eligible for the seat.
Plus
The
one.
lesser the number of
And
charges you have,
and what is shocking is also that such people get elected also.
And
And
such
they
people
win
are
also.
they get
glorified. Such people are glorified. That's
yeah.
my biggest pain point. Such people are glorified even after causing so many riots, even after killing so many, causing so many communal violence. They are glorified. I mean, what
and
and why? I
and
mean,
they
who are these
say
people? They don't need to be changed. The people who are glorifying them, that is us and the community here, which is glorifying some people, some person who is taking an extremist stand on things, and we are glorifying them. कि हाँ बाबा ये राज्य में ये ऐसा करेगा तो ये चाहिए. I won't take names. ठीक है, names लेने में भी कोई टेंशन नहीं है, लेकिन everybody knows the names, right? Everyone knows the names.
you know
Who's
in
being
which state this
glorified?
happened.
Yeah, you know the names of the states which are in which they are happening. You know the name of the people, and they are being glorified. Big posters in each and every part of the country. Then I mean, again, as somebody said in this panel, कि we are to blame, and truly so, rightly so.
We are to blame. And also because if you see, these politicians or whoever that we have elected and given power over, I just want to see a better representation of women in the media.
No, Noel, what
And I
happens
would,
is if you want to elect men who are good, right? They are men, good men are always looked as weak men. To be very,
Yeah.
very frank, if you try to be good, if you try
Exactly.
to be expressive about your, I don't know, people call it the feminine side of things, but Nietzsche, he argued otherwise. Nietzsche used to say that every man has a feminine side to him and every woman has a masculine
Women as a male.
yeah, masculine side to him, her.
Masculine side, yeah.
Yeah, and I think it's X and Y, right? When we count the chromosomes and all, it's X, Y, or XS. I don't know. I don't know how to explain
yeah.
that. But what I'm
Yes,
saying
yes.
is, good men are looked upon as weak men, and this has to change.
Simps.
Kyunki, yeah, Sims. If I try to be very good to
Simp.
someone, Sims, 100%. Sims, boomers, whatever you want to call them. And men who are outspoken, men who are extremists, or men who appear or try to they exude so much strength from within them. They are seen as the machoistic and the macho men of the
Alpha
society.
male.
Alpha males. I mean, this struggle of alpha male. Eric has a very good summary of that. Eric, would you like to say that? Alpha male.
Eric is an
Great
alpha
one.
male.
The alpha, everything in the world boils down to one thing: who has the biggest.
Yeah. So why okay, if you see the nations, which fight against each other, it's a war like that's just the gist of it.
Dude!
It's like yes, I'm sorry.
Oh,
Just
my
an explicit
ears!
like if you look at it, okay, New Zealand, Denmark, I don't know which other country, they all had Germany, they all had female leaders.
New Zealand.
The way Switzerland, they came out of Corona, or their lockdown was so effective. Okay, their lockdown was so effective that they made a plan. They went with a strategy and they came out of it as well. And the economy is again reviving in some sorts. Okay. Now the other people who went into lockdown was competition. Was still in competition with each other, that I can beat you, I can beat you.
Yes.
That's all war is, because a man always wants to beat another man in every sort of way. Okay, sometimes they choose a wife just to show that my wife is better than you. It's not because of anything else. So men have that complex of showing off, of being the alpha male, as they say. So, but this fake machoism that comes in, it takes a toll on the man in a very bad way, because in that sense, okay, the man never is happy if he has everything in the world. If he has everything in the world, still he won't be happy. More. That's why Genghis Khan, every 1 out of 200 people on earth are Genghis Khan's descendants. Because he went, conquered, and he raped all the villages. Okay, he thought that would make him so powerful. That would make him so powerful. So this thing of power that comes inside man is not just it comes from today or it comes from yesterday. It comes from pornography. It's hardwired in them from a long generations, and what all the other previous people have done. But we have our own cognitive brains, which is meant to develop, which is meant to go forward. Don't use your limbic system. Don't be surviving on your limbic system. Use your frontal cortex, because that's the place where you are able to think, come out of logical reasons, and make those decisions that this is bullshit. What we are being taught, or what we are being
I mean, men don't need to clash, right? Egos don't always need to clash to, I mean, at least in this society, ठीक है, आजकल के दुनिया में, men don't need to clash every time. Men don't need to prove their superiority. What Eric was trying.
Normally, also human being also need to. If all the human being can understand one point, each one can have their own opinion. Just respect that.
Yeah.
अपना opinion है, बोलो. But problem कहाँ पर आता पता है? When you believe that your opinion is always right.
Is the only one right.
And that also arises from ego.
And then you try to prove that.
Ego, yeah.
That is what is ego they come upon.
I want to ask the guys who are here today, how do you look at women?
Eric,
I want to know your point. No, Prashant, you go first. Right? They're interviewing
Prashant will relate more because Prashant has a sister, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
100%.
So, what do you think of the role of a woman in your life? How do you look at women?
So, as you asked me, how do I look at women? Okay, I'll start from...
You're a good person though.
How?
So one of the reason, Prashant, you can say is it starts at home, right?
100%.
It starts with home.
I mean,
Like what
I fumbled a
you
lot.
see
मैं
or
बहुत कुछ blabber किया because I didn't know how to answer this question. लेकिन ठीक है, it starts at home. Number one, when I go out with my sister. Number two, I have to make sure that nobody is invading our privacy, her privacy, so to say. And
yeah.
number three, when I go out as a man into the society, I won't deny that I don't look at women with wrong intentions, but not all the time.
Hmm.
ठीक है, there is, I mean, I don't know what the limits or where the line is, but it happens. We do. I mean, I think it's the same for women as well. I just don't know. So that's how things are. But when I look at women, when I think of women, women have an essential role in society. Women have been oppressed since a lot
Yeah.
of years. That is true. But that doesn't mean that women will oppress men. That is what I think, and I think men need to have that sensitivity. That's what I said, right? They need to have that conscience and logical reasoning to understand that women are the same in our society. So that's one of the things. Yeah, you may go on, Eric.
My turn. Yeah. So in my case, so I have a brother, dad, and mom at my house. So at my house, it's alpha female. That's the stance at my house. Okay. So there's no, for me, when I go out, I don't need to look out.
Yeah,
Okay,
true.
as they say, for the person that
She looks out for you.
is female. Yeah, dude, like she would shoot you she would shoot me between the
Yeah.
eyes and not flinch.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
kind
true.
of woman she is. Okay,
Hmm.
so because she never takes shit for anything. Okay, she knows her right. She knows her stance in whatever she believes in, and she'll die for it. And so that's what I've learned, that that's an individual, dude. You don't mess with them. And when people say, when a female themselves say that, oh, I'm just a woman, I don't have these rights. I'm said, who told you that? You have to own those rights, sir. Okay, it's always there for you. You have to just take them and just use it, because as I see in my family, just anything that happens, it's equal. It's shared responsibility in everything that they do. So that's what I learned. I don't feel that I need to protect a woman
Yeah.
in such a manner. Not saying that if somebody does something, I won't do.
Yeah,
But
100%.
like, I need to be there for her. If she's
Yeah.
talking to a girl, I need to talking to a guy, I need to go and protect her there.
Yeah.
I'm like, that's if a woman is talking to a lot of guys, okay, you have to trust her. You have to have that courage on her, or you have to believe her that they are friends. Okay, because women are smarter than men in 100 times. Okay, 100 times. They know who are coming onto them, and they know how to deflect them, because they do it on a daily basis. So you don't need to be the macho guy in this scenario and be the guy, okay, who goes and tells the
Yeah.
other person
I would like
that,
to interject,
back
thoda sa.
off.
Yeah, I would
Yeah.
thoda sa interject, because I think I didn't complete. So one of the things that I don't know who told me, but I heard since childhood, since I was in school, I know this ki women have a sixth sense. Now I don't know kisne bola, if this is for true or not. Like, whenever I go out, whenever I think about looking at someone, मेरे को ये चीज, and I think I've observed it a couple of times. I don't know, but they do have a sixth sense. They do have. I mean,
They know who's staring
they
at
Yeah,
them.
they
know.
have. Yeah.
They know. They
I
come
mean,
to know.
They know.
yeah, I think this is there's a
Dude, it's like
heightened
walking
sense
through a
of,
dark alley.
heightened sense
It's
of
like walking through a
awareness or
dark alley.
something like that,
Yeah.
right? Because they're constantly looking
You're
out.
constantly aware of that fact. You're
Yeah.
constantly aware of that fact.
Yeah.
I also want to take the conversation to one more point.
Hmm.
Being a woman, and we've talked about how we need to change the conversations
True,
in our homes and
true.
everything. I'm also very worried about the young women of today.
Okay.
A girl, by the time she I'm talking about just this generation, younger generation. A girl, by the time she's 12 or 13, believes that she needs to be more most
Like a
importantly
19-year-old.
first, she has to have sexual worth before she
Yeah.
has anything
Yeah.
else.
Yeah.
And that is what I'm seeing on all the young girls on their Instagram. So by the time they're 13, 14, they think that desirability is sexuality enhanced. And that is a dangerous trend when we're going to have a young bunch of girls thinking that the only way I'm going to be identified is how much of sex,
glamour.
how sexy do I look?
Yeah.
Young girls. And
Yeah.
that's the benchmark. And that's why we need the Kardashians down, and we need all these wrong,
Hmm.
I mean, more power to
Impressions
her.
down.
Yeah, because that's what they think is
Hmm.
my value is
Hmm.
based upon how
Hmm.
sexual I am.
Yes. Yes. And then
Because
I think
boys, yeah.
I would like to add in. Um, I know these apps and I know these softwares and applications that you have on your phones which make you look very very beautiful. Some of these apps enhance your beauty, right? I mean, Beauty Plus. What is that app called, girls? I don't know what is that app called. Beauty
Come
Plus
on,
or
you're
something.
using it,
Now
huh?
it comes in
I don't
pre-installed.
use
Now
it.
it comes pre-installed in the camera itself.
Pre-installed.
I
Yeah,
think
Ah.
you
Prashant's
can.
alright.
Beautification mode.
Because
Yeah.
I did some study on this. I did some. Read some articles and all. So there are these apps, right? And women. I don't know about men, but yeah, there is this thing which you said that by the age of 12, 13, women the girls think they need to be more attractive in order to be accepted by whom? I don't know. By the society, by men, by boys. I don't know whom.
Their
It
peers.
is not
Their
by the
peers.
The
society.
Yeah.
peers.
It is
Yeah.
like
Hmm.
the
Yeah.
peers. Exactly, the
Hmm.
peers.
Hmm.
For
So a
example,
12-year, yeah, they'll go on a diet. They'll
Yeah.
go on a diet
Noella,
from
I'll
10,
remember.
12.
I'll just come to this point. When
Mhm.
was the first time that you started using a cell phone?
Oh my God. When did I start using my cell phone?
Yeah,
In college, I think.
college.
Like,
Exactly.
yeah,
I got
yeah,
my first cell phone when I passed my 10th standard
yeah.
and I
Okay.
graduated and I luckily scored a distinction. So my parents bought me one.
Right.
If I wouldn't have scored a distinction, then that I would not have been able to buy a cell phone.
Alert,
But
alert. My
now,
sister is in
even
school
a
and she already has 2 cell phones. So I don't know what to say about you
exactly
boomers.
now,
Wow.
Oh,
Boomers. You
exactly.
boomers.
oh.
But now a girl who is in a fifth standard भी ठीक है, sixth
Hmm.
standard. My niece,
Acha.
she is 6 years old.
Hmm.
My niece, she is 6 years old.
Hmm.
She knows how to
Pouts?
install and how to uninstall an app
Hmm.
from a mobile
Yeah.
phone.
Okay. Uh-huh.
That is the progress of a mind
Yeah.
He is
for
too
the
slow.
coming generation.
Hmm.
I know.
He's
See,
too slow.
no, Eric, I'll just come to this, not being defensive.
Hmm.
She's not slow.
Hmm.
It is the fear of the parents
Yeah.
instilled in her.
Yeah. Hmm.
No,
It is
no,
the
I'm
fear
saying, I'm
of the
just saying,
parents.
it was just a joke. I'm like,
No,
3-year-olds do
I'm
that
telling
as
you,
well.
Eric.
Yeah, I
Eric,
get it.
अभी
I get
तू
it.
कुछ बोलेगा ना, अभी तेरे केस में अगर हम लोग के केस में अगर कुछ भी, if we speak something in a house, our parents are feeling free to give us a slap right there.
Hmm.
Right.
Oh,
See, I'm a person who's against physical this. I
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
still and I believe
Physical
that you
disciplining
should
is
not
the new word.
physical disciplining, you should
Hmm.
not do that also. मतलब भाई कौन मार
Chappal,
खाना
bail and
चाहता है?
झाड़ू. In
Couple
short.
bail and झाड़ू. लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है, if you
Hmm.
don't do that,
Yeah.
तो अपने जनरेशन को संभालेगा कौन?
कौन संभालेगा? Hmm.
Exactly.
Hmm.
जाके रूम में बैठो. Get
कैसे
grounded.
संभालना है? Like, is there any other way to tell them? They are not listening to the words.
Hmm. अरे
Okay,
बाबा,
there-
अपन तो
There is another way.
अपन
There
तो
is
इंडिया
another
में
way.
है.
Talking.
अपन तो इंडिया में है. There is no such rule or law ना against physical disciplining. In the US, if a child complains ना, बिल्कुल भी मालूम पड़ेगा, they'll take away the
That
child.
the parents are sent to jail.
Yeah.
The parents are sent to
They'll
jail.
take
वो
away
तो
the child.
second, they take away the child. And then the parents.
And I'll just focus on Noella's point also over here. Instagram, Facebook, जो भी हो यहाँ पे.
Hmm.
I've come across posts
Hmm.
where females have posted,
Hmm.
they have posted picture
Hmm.
from their neck to their waist. भाई तुम लोग क्या दिखाना चाहते हो मुझे जरा
Okay.
बताओ.
Hmm. Fair point.
What are you trying to show me?
It's a girls' platform.
I'll put it in
Rucha,
sim-
Devika, Linda.
I'll put it-
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll put it in simple words. For me, it will be like statement. I look at those pic and the first thing that I come across is, on being a female side, I like, भाई क्या दिखाना चाहती है तू? जो तेरे पास हो मेरे पास भी क्या दिखा रही है तू?
Exactly, like what you want to show.
What
Like,
do you
and
want to show?
why you're doing that?
You show your face. You have a smiling face, and if all are natural beauty, you show your
Yeah.
smiling face. You show, you show your friends, you show your this. भाई neck से लेके waist line तक तुम लोग फोटो डालते हो फेसबुक में, क्या दिखाना चाहते हो भाई? मुझे जरा प्लीज इसका आंसर
Controversial
बताओ.
bit at
And
the
I
end.
And sometimes
I
they
just
don't
want to,
even have fear. They
हाँ,
They're all
their
good.
मतलब
face
I
also
will
with the
come across. Prashant and Eric must also have come across such post, but obvious your not your
100%.
generation. I'm not much older,
Yes, 100%.
but your female friends must have also posted such pics.
Yeah.
And female
Yeah.
friends to chhod do,
Huh.
the ones who are younger than you must have also posted.
Hmm.
Can you tell me what are the
Yeah.
thoughts that come in your mind?
Like they are trying to copy
this one-
someone. They are trying to copy someone
they
who
are
they
trying to. They are not being
Yeah.
their own real self. They are
Own
trying to
self.
be
They are not
something
being
else,
themselves.
which is
Which
being
they-
shown to them.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
because
The
they're
self-worth.
picking on the language, and it's in between the lines, it's not spoken, but they're picking on what is their self-worth,
Yeah.
and the world is
Exactly.
telling them your self-worth is your body parts. And
To
if you
s-
look at and that is also going to be a problem, because as
In
women,
the future run. In the
Hmm.
future run.
Hmm.
because here we're fighting for women's rights,
Right.
and here, but we have an entire generation coming up
Hmm.
who only believes that physical beauty, I mean, I can do whatever I want, put implants and this, and have to look desirable.
There are these
Because they
two
wanna
terms,
live
no? Which is there are these two terms. One is benevolence, which is the goodness, and one is malevolence,
Yep.
which is the wickedness, right, or the cruelty that is in mankind. I think these people, most of us as well, are exposed fairly to the benevolence, benevolence of humanity. कि कितना, but we have not been exposed to the malevolence. Once these girls know, or once people know कि what can be done or what can happen, I think they'll stop doing all this. I think, okay, that's my initial preliminary point of view. But yeah,
And
Uh,
I feel
guys-
like
when
glorifying
will that
certain
happen?
things.
बोलो ना.
Yeah.
Glorifying
Go on,
certain things. अभी तुम लोग कोई भी सीरियल देख लो, या फिर कोई भी मूवी पकड़ लो, या फिर कोई भी वेब सीरीज देख लो, क्या होता है उसमें? The woman is shown in that way.
बराबर.
As a sexual
तुम
object.
लोग ने कितने, मुझे एक बात बताओ, कितने लोगों ने पहले देखा है कि woman comes in a very clean, straight folded साड़ी और normal dress also. कितने लोगों ने ऐसे देखा है? कोई भी सीरीज में दिखाते, कोई भी
सीरीज में, हाँ.
सीरियल्स में नहीं दिखाते,
हम्म.
कोई भी नहीं दिखाते. वो लोग क्या फोकस करेंगे? ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक फोकस करेंगे वुमेन्स को,
ट्रू.
एंड उसके बीच में ऐसे दिखाया कि भाई लड़का अट्रैक्ट हो गया उसके, क्या देख के भाई तू अट्रैक्ट हो गया, मुझे जरा बता.
इससे
And this is
इससे
what is being
सोसाइटी को यही
passed.
समझ में आ रहा है कि वुमेन का जो वर्थ है, या मतलब जो हम लोग को देखना चाहिए वो पार्ट्स पे देखना चाहिए.
पार्ट्स पे देखना
बराबर
चाहिए.
ना?
The beauty myth.
Beauty.
It's the beauty myth.
I don't
which
call it the
the
beauty,
beauty
right?
myth.
It's not a myth.
no.
Yeah.
It's beauty myth, written
a
by
myth.
Naomi
Actually,
Wolf.
it's a myth.
Yeah, a feminist,
Uh-huh.
and she said that for generations, because women like were always told that your value depended upon the kind of man you would be able to marry,
Okay.
and the man you were able to marry depended upon how good you look. So
Right.
in the
Yeah.
olden days, if you were very beautiful, then you got a rich husband.
Right.
So what is the economy that as women we are told to deal in? What is the economy? Beauty.
Beauty.
What is a man
Yes,
told?
Yes.
You're
Yes.
richer, you're gonna get a
Yes.
prettier wife.
True.
What's your economy? Your worth
Beauty.
is in money, mine is
Yeah.
in my sexuality.
Mm.
And we use it, men and women.
Yes.
And that's been since generations.
True.
And that is
Yes.
why I say
And-
we need to change the conversations
True.
and dialogues.
True.
You know,
Yeah. At our
that's
home.
my
And it
currency.
starts at our
That's
home.
yeah, that's the currency I've been told for years. If you look good, you get a rich guy. That's my currency. That's
No.
what I
Yeah.
mean.
So-
I don't.
No.
I
That's
mean,
that's very true.
And people,
My mother, my friends will never say like, you know what, be good, go to Asha Dan, work with the homeless people. Some good guy will like you.
Yeah.
Bitch,
That
go
only
on a
happens in
diet.
movies.
tell it.
Bitch, do this.
Hmm.
That's the currency we have been told for generations.
right,
It's
true.
engraved.
That
So-
only happens in Gajni movies.
Yes.
Where you
Yes.
have
That only happens in movies. Correct.
nothing else.
Ah.
Nowhere else. In real life,
Like
nobody even
Prashant
notices.
probably thinks that,
presence of mind तो देखो
Prashant-
हाँ. Yeah,
No,
yeah.
Prashant, I'm thinking you're probably thinking now, shit, I need to make a lot of money to get a pretty girl. Like, I
No,
mean, no,
I already know that.
No, he'll just
I
use
mean, I
he'll just
already,
use his voice.
yeah.
he's what?
He'll just use his voice.
Yeah,
Uh,
but like,
So,
you
guys,
know.
thank you so much. It's been a lovely conversation, and we went into depths and uh, many things here. It was a lot of fun, and it was a lot of insight to what a woman goes through on a day-to-day basis, and what we need to change at our homes, in our thinking, in on so many different levels. It was a very
Hmm,
great conversation here.
hmm.
So
Yeah,
thank you so much, guys, for
yeah.
joining us on this episode of Charcha with the Chichas.
Yes,
Thank you for joining us on a 5 minutes notice, everyone. And
yes, yes. Each one
thank
of
you so
you,
much, though.
and each one of you
And
have,
Prashant and
each one of you
yeah,
have our respect 100%, and that's why I guess we called you. That's why
that
you are, yeah,
everybody has our respect. There's nothing
yeah,
like that. We knew that you were the right people to speak on such
100%.
topics. So
Yeah.
thank you so much again, everyone, and thank you for the listeners as well who have heard us all throughout this episode. If you did like it, if you did like this episode, do drop a comment in the comment section, and also follow us and subscribe and like this video if you did.
Yes.
So, guys, this is it from this episode of Charcha with the Chichas. We are also on Instagram, that is Charcha with the Chichas, and also on Twitter at CWC_pod. And you can follow all of them. We put their handles in our bio, in our description, and also on the video's end. So, guys, thank you so much, Prashant, for joining. Thank you, Richa. Thank you, Linda. Thank you, Noel and Devika. This is it from Charcha with the Chichas, your discussion at that.
It was our pleasure today.
Thank you.